That have it on Facebook that you missing.
Damn you this, you know say you are a wicked woman.
What is in a Scotia Bank?
Blessings. So this afternoon, some of the stories that will be mentioned: missing woman found at friend's yard. Shauna-Gaye Reid, that is also said to be missing, contacted the police saying she is not missing. However, she failed to report to the station to confirm her safety. This man got subtracted. Also coming up, an altercation between a man and security guards in Scotiabank left onlookers scampering. So that and more, and in order for you not to miss out on what is going on in Jamaica, you need to join the family. So if you're new to the channel, if it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe, plus click the notification bell, and while doing so select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activities on our channel. And also remember to give this video a like always for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Stay safe. So since of lately, we have come to the realization that the devil is recruiting agents, and quite a number of persons across the island have successfully secured a spot of employment, and they are very dedicated at their given task. They are executing their job adamantly, randomly, and relentlessly. One of his workers put on a show in a Scotiabank in 3 miles where he pulled a utensil at the security guards, looking like a kitchen BITCH, one of those big ones. And the guards was to respond accordingly with their service weapons in trying to calm this man down, but most importantly defending themselves. But due to the ego of this man in trying to prove himself to the onlookers, trying to entertain his life away, he continues to flare, so it wasn't an easy task trying to amp him down. However, he managed to control himself to a point where he circumvented his funeral preparations and boisterously walked through the door, leaving some serious threats behind to one of the guards. So be attentive, listen carefully, then leave a comment and make your opinion counts down in the comment section.
What is in a Scotia Bank? What is in a Scotia Bank? Oh, them let him in. The last time earthquake come catch me in here. No, I'm trembling. Dear God. The last time earthquake catch me in here, the building shake down with me. Now, me tremble, bear gun. Bear gun. Oh my God. This there, Lord. Yeah. A bad man this. I can't believe them let him out just like that. So where police them now take out the weapon from him. Dear God. Oh God. Oh God. Look at this.
So there you have it, and you're always welcome to participate down in the comment section. So I also reported in the community section of my channel that this lady was missing, Miss Janetta Lewis, and she was found today. Happily she's okay. However, her husband and their daughter is angry, so be attentive to your display, then participate in the comment section.
Alright, see the vehicle here, but we can't find. And see my wife here, see her here. See my wife when I say missing. Come, let's go now, let's go. And turn you from in that have her down now. Turn you to from in that have it on Facebook that you missing.
Turn you this, you know say you are a wicked woman. Come.
So there you have it once more, and I don't know if it was a case where things is not right at her home between her husband and herself, so she decided to distance herself for her own safety or even her happiness, peace of mind. If your common senses are actively up and running, then you'll be able to decipher that all is not being said, something is not right about the overall situation. Maybe home doesn't feel like home anymore for her, so she took on hiatus, and I'm just saying, all she needed was to do, if that's the case, was to consult someone she trusted and say, I'm okay, I wasn't kidnapped, I just need some time by myself to regroup and resume. So this man has received some rounds. He picked up a few in Granville, St. James, and was later pronounced, and he's known as Jamie, otherwise called Spengdon. So whatever he got himself into, it became his worst nightmare because he is now out of this world. So the police are this afternoon appealing to 32-year-old Shauna-Gaye Reid of Waterford in St. Catherine to urgently make contact with them because Miss Reid was reported missing at the Waterford police station on Saturday, March 27, and an investigation was immediately launched to ascertain her whereabouts. However, a female later contacted a police department. Contact was made with investigators at the station by a woman who gave her name as Shauna-Gaye Reid, who was published as a missing person on the JCF social media platforms and stated that she was not missing. Based on an interview conducted over the phone, among other things, investigators were satisfied that it was indeed Shauna-Gaye Reid. She was then removed from the Jamaica Constabulary Force missing person listing, and previously circulated images of her updated as returned. A subsequent missing person report was made, and she was again listed as missing according to the JCF missing person policy, and that happens because she was contacted and agreed to attend to the police station to prove that she was not missing or in any danger. However, she did not attend the station. So the police are now asking anyone knowing the whereabouts of Shauna-Gaye Reid to contact the Waterford police station at 876-988-1763, police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station in your vicinity. Please do so. And additionally, the police are reminding persons who are deemed missing and their relatives of their responsibility to report to the nearest police station if the individual has returned. And persons need to know that whenever you're missing, there will be a high level of anxiety among your loved ones if you're not successfully located and safely accounted for. So don't try to confuse the members of the JCF, the Jamaica Constabulary Force, by having them spending excess amount of time on your case unnecessarily when they could be attending to someone who is more in need of their attention. So wherever you are, if you don't want some members of your family to know your new location, then please find yourself at the Waterford police station and assure the members that the call was indeed coming from you and you're okay, then you're free to go. It's that easy, simple. Thank you very much. And miss, you need to subscribe to my channel. So remember that if you're new to the platform, if it is your first time over here, please, I'm asking you to subscribe. Plus, click the notification bell, and while doing so, select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activities on our channel. And also remember to give this video a like for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Stay safe.
Alright. See the vehicle here. But we can't find. And see my wife here. See her here. See my wife when I say missing. Come, let's go now, let's go. And turn you from in that have her down now. Turn you to from in that have it on Facebook that you're missing.
Turn you this, you know say you are a wicked woman.
Come. Come.